System design for vibe coders. Let's add this generate with AI button to your website. For example, if your user is trying to build a video course, then the generate with AI button can pre-populate a lot of these fields. And in this video, I'll explain system design, which is what the back end of this will all look like. So your app will look like this. You'll have a front end and then you're going to call API Gateway. API Gateway is like your routing and security. Then you need to put your code somewhere. Where does your code go? It goes into this AWS Lambda. That is a scalable processor. But now you need to save things for your user. You need persistent storage. You can use DynamoDB. Think of this as like a super fast Excel sheet. Now pause right here. These 4 components, this is like almost every project. You need to support a user to do CRUD operations. And in case you don't want to use AWS, here's the translation. Take a snapshot. Now, how do we set up that AI part of this? In the current setup, what's happening is the user is manually updating this table. So instead of that, let's have some new AI code, and we're going to put that in an AI Lambda. Again, Lambda is that scalable processor. So now AI is writing to the table instead of the user. It's like AI is generating that Excel sheet for the user. Now there's a problem here. This AI code, we're going to call an LLM. And LLMs, as you know, there's a token limit for a certain amount of time. If we have a ton of users click that generate with AI button at the same time, a bunch of them are going to be rejected. So we can bring in this queue. This is like people waiting in line for coffee. Now this AI Lambda, we can set it to deal with the coffee line when the tokens are ready. Let's look at that again before and after. So here is the manual way and here is the AI way. The manual way and the AI way. And don't click away yet because we can turn this design into code in just a few seconds. Take a snapshot of that diagram we just drew, and this is called CDK or infrastructure as code. So I have Claude Code load up this CDK skill. By the way, if you want to learn more about that, I have an end-to-end program in my links. I say just call this new folder CDK and I give it that system design image. It creates this code for you and this is what gets deployed to your AWS account. Now, what did we just do? We wanted to add this AI feature to our website to make our customers' lives easier. So we drew out this system design diagram to have a scalable way to add this feature. Then we took a snapshot of that diagram, gave it to Claude, and Claude now wrote our infrastructure code that we can deploy to our account.